Door came to South Africa in July of 2006. Door is a UK-based franchise. It was started by Winfred Door early in 2000 in response to many of the problems that his daughter was having. We now have a 7-year track history in the UK, and more than 30,000 people have been through the program with a greater than 90% success rate. We currently have 4 branches in South Africa, and we're really experiencing phenomenal change in both adults and children. We probably see about 70% children to adults, and predominantly in South Africa we're dealing with an ADD, ADHD spectrum, whereas in the UK the history is founded in dyslexia. But it would appear that in South Africa we're seeing more ADD and ADHD rather than dyslexia. In essence, what we know at Door now is that there's an area of the brain called the cerebellum, that in the majority of the clients that we see, it's this area of the brain that doesn't develop properly. We know that these are all neurodevelopmental issues in this area of the brain for some reason, and we're really not sure why. We think that it might be related to the genetic history of the family, so it's either from mom or dad's family or from somewhere higher up the line. And you get this developmental delay, as we call it, and this developmental delay can be responsible for a wide variety of symptoms, all the way from very minor things, reversal of letters, all the way up to what we call autistic spectrum disorder. And on the basis of that, we will then admit and have a look at clients and ascertain whether there's something going on from a cerebellar point of view.